What's up, girls? Oh, sorry, girl. Sorry. ¿Todo bien?
What's up, baby?
Good, good, girl. Thank you. Okay, mañana, okay? Mañana. Hey, ¿cómo estás?
Ah, tú hablas español, hola.
Hey, gracias, mamá, gracias.
Hola, where you going?
Ahora mi casa. Otro día, mamá, otro día. No. Otro día. The way things are here, okay? Subscribe.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over. Where are you? I'm outside. Where I told you. My house. Yeah. Wait a second.
I'm actually at the opposite, like, let me just come at the signboard. So let me do this. I'm actually in the streets of Jaco and I want to explore them and show you what to expect. It's totally dark here, but let's see what happens. I'm just being careful so that I don't be a victim of circumstance. So far it looks chill, you know? Yeah. So that's how it looks like. And I see people, families the other side. We have tsunami. Wow. It's called tsunami right there. I see people showing up already for the party. Yeah. Right there we have like it's a kid's place. They're playing with water. And this side, yeah, the streets are not looking that bad. They look alive. So I'm exploring the streets here. But clearly you can tell it's you can clearly tell there are lots of hunters in the region, you know. So let me keep going that way and see what to expect. I just passed the gentleman's club. I see boys going in, yeah, so okay. Echo.
Amigo.
so tricky. Everything is sold here, you know. Gracias. Gracias. Qué bueno.
Mà đấy đều
Man, this is the crazy nightlife here. I got it. Man. Hey, ¿cómo estás?
Ah, tú hablas español, hola.
Hey, gracias, mamá, gracias.
Hola, where did you go?
Ahora mi casa. Otro día, mamá, otro día. No. Otro día. Trust me when I tell you these are tricky streets. These are tricky streets, my friend. As long as you've had one or two, you just have to be super careful, man. I had that music playing in the background because they're gonna give me copyright. Just be. These are tricky streets of Costa Rica. The roads look super tricky, you know. Actually, I'm not good with alcohol. The moment I take like 2 beers, I'm like gone. So I have to be like super careful, you know, and film everybody around me. Like these guys. Wow. Oh man, you see from that side, it's just the way you see it, man. So crazy, yeah. This could be my longest walk home. Everything looks strict. I can't say is, man, be careful. Just be careful when you come here and you have like 1 or 2 beers, because every... What's up, girls? Oh, sorry, girl. Sorry. ¿Todo bien?
What's up, baby?
Good, girl. Thank you. Okay, mañana, okay? Mañana. Every 50 meters, like a tricky situation. And try to compare this place and Medellin, Colombia. Not much different. Actually, not much different. Not really a lot. Everything looks closely or nearly the same. You know? Actually, if I compare this place with Medellin, Colombia, I'll just say like in Medellin, Colombia, there are more beautiful girls than this place. That's the only difference. But in terms of the environment and the dating scene, it's nearly the same. One thing I should give credit to this place is there are lots of tourists. It's like they try to make the situation look better. I mean, if you go to a club, you may see this cute girl from maybe Netherlands, and if you see 10 or 15 of them, then you'll feel everything is okay. But in real sense, everything is not okay. So that's what I feel from here, you know. That's what I feel right now. I feel like the only difference between Medellin, Colombia and this place is in Medellin, Colombia, there are more cute girls, but it's purely the same air. You know, when I say same air, I mean, you know, same environment, you know. And that really sucks a lot, you know. We need wives, man. We need good girls. We need, you know, we need something for the future. That really bad, man. The nightlife here has totally disappointed me. It's purely working girls. Every club you go in, everywhere, and that's tricky, you know. That's tricky situation. But I don't know why this bus is stopping, but I don't know. Yeah. Now I'm supposed to walk home 2 kilometers from here. I don't know if that bus should help me go home. But it's so dark, I'm alone, I'm a little drunk. It's funny, man, I'm not like a drunkard, you know. If I take like 2-3 beers, I'm gone. So basically, I just don't like to drink. I mean, drinking is not my thing at all. I've never been a drunkard, and anytime I try, I feel like I'm losing it. And I totally, as a person, hate it. Like, I don't like it. Like right now, I don't really feel very okay. I feel a little unstable, you know, which is not one of my favorite time or position to be, you know. Yeah. So I'm walking home. It's so dark. I have to remember the streets very carefully and everything. But generally, one thing I loved about this place is there's no entrance fee to the major clubs. I mean, not really like major clubs, but I mean main clubs. There are no entrance fee. That was really a good thing. No? So I'm supposed to go that way. That way. You know? I'm supposed to go that way. See, it's so dark. Like, it's so dark. Hey, there's lights here. Let me say this, man. Please, if you're watching this video and you don't give it a like, I just don't know what to say, man. It's sad. Like, you're too mean. Sad. It's so sad. Okay? And yeah, the nightlife is good, you know. If you're that guy who, like, you've never seen beautiful girls around you and you work so hard in your life and you've never had like a good time, maybe this is the best place to come, you know. Yeah, and see some cute girls dance around you. As you say, make it rain, you know. But if you're that guy looking for a wife, or you're looking for something serious, that's all I mean, you'd prefer staying maybe in the capital cities, because this place is really contaminated. Or maybe you come here and trying to find a foreigner or a tourist like you. It's gonna be good, you know. But really imagining you're gonna meet these girls here in the streets and think you're gonna convert her to be your girl, man, it's a big joke. Yeah, that's like actually building an ice house during the day, you know. You know what that means? Yeah, like it's quite impossible, or it's an illusion. But if you just want to have a good time, just party and just, you know, be like fuck everything, yeah, this is the best place for you, man. So I'm going that way. It's too dark, and that's how I risk. And when I see people comment like really negative things on my YouTube videos, I block them because they are not here with me. You see? Let me show you how dark it is. See where I'm going? That's where I'm going, man. I can't even see after this light. I don't know where I'm going. And sometimes people tend to be so mean with my channel, and I know people hate me just because it's a black guy from Africa traveling. Just that, and they can't do it. Man, trust me.
All I need is you, baby.